natural beauties, welcome back to my channel. So basically what I'm going to be showing you guys is how to color your lashes at home. That's basically what I'm going to be showing you guys today. So this is just a really cool makeup hack, something really quick and very simple. If you have a neutral look or something that's just not that out there and you want to add a little bit of flavor to the look, you can just go ahead and try some colored lashes. For this video you only need two things. You're going to need a clear mascara or a brow gel, will work as well. And I got this one JK from Fontana Pharmacy in Mandeville. That's where I got this one, and it was very cheap. So you're going to need this and also probably an old eyeshadow palette that you don't use anymore. This is a really cool way to upcycle your makeup items, because sometimes we have palettes that we don't use anymore, and this is a good way to use them without throwing them away or whatever. You can go ahead and just try this cool DIY idea out. If you do give it a try, don't forget to let me know in the comment section below, and also you can tag me on your looks if you want to do that as well. Yeah guys, so I'm just gonna hop into this really cool DIY video right quick. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also follow me on all my other social media sites, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Stay tuned to see the tutorial. Okay guys, so I'm so sorry, but for this part of the video I recorded it on my phone. But what I did was just basically take the clear lash mascara, and you need a surface to work on. So I used a piece of paper and I just put some of the mascara down, and I picked a color of choice, and now I'm just going to mix the eyeshadow and the clear mascara together. And you want to get a nice pasty consistency, so try not to make it too watery, because you're going to get more of a color payoff if it is a lot thicker. So probably 1 part lash mascara to 2 parts color. And I just use this old mascara wand that I had that I don't use anymore, and I'm just going to use that to apply the color onto my lashes. Now it does take a minute to build up, so this way you can make it as bright or as dull as you choose for it to be. If you want just a tint of color, you can go ahead and do that, and if you want it to be very bright, you can go ahead and do that as well. So for the pink one, I used this shimmer shadow from a Beauty Resource palette that I don't really use anymore, and I'm just gonna do the same thing and apply that onto my lashes. So this is a really cool quick hack guys, a very quick video. There's nothing difficult about it really. Hope you guys enjoyed it anyway, and this way you can switch up the colors and have any color lashes that you want. Thanks so much for watching guys. Please thumbs up this video if you like it, and follow my Instagram, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Until next time, stay naturally beautiful. Bye.